Look closely, this beautiful amethyst is hiding a secret. These whitish, irregular marks you see at the beginning, those are just scratches and abrasions from years of wear. No shape, no structure, just damage. But now watch what happens when we move to the other side of the stone. Suddenly everything changes. These tiny, perfect geometric shapes glowing under the microscope. Those are natural crystals that formed inside the amethyst millions of years ago. The difference is striking. The abrasions are messy and dull. The real crystals are sharp, symmetrical, and they sparkle like diamonds under dark field illumination. So next time you look at an amethyst, remember some of its beauty is hidden deep inside, waiting to be discovered under the microscope. Can you now tell the scratches from the crystals? Gemology lesson. Scratches are messy and dull, while natural crystals are sharp, geometric, and they sparkle beautifully under the microscope. Always look closer, real beauty is hidden inside.